Ayun, good afternoon Bicolandia and hello, good afternoon po basketball fans. So nandito naman tayo sa inyong inaabangan ako, Bicol Cup Masbate. Nandito tayo sa bayan ng Milagros, specifically dito sa Milagros Covered Court. No, bago ang lahat, pasalamatan natin ang butihing mayor ng Milagros, Natividad Isabel Magbalon. Mayor, maraming salamat po for having us. Of course, this will be a double-header matchup again dito sa Milagros for ako, Bicol Cup Masbate. My name is Coach Paul Sepe and nandito ka-partner ko ngayon ang aking napakagwapong Wadi Jan Bachiller.
Magandang hapon, Pilipinas, and welcome dito sa Milagros Covered Court. Witness a game between Aroroy versus Baleno. Two of the hottest teams right now sa ating liga. Battling it out, and huwag na natin patagalin pa. Punta natin sa arena announcer na si James Alvidar to start things off.
We welcome everyone inside the Milagros Covered Court from Perdomo and Anacha. Our first game will be having Team Aroroy versus Team Baleno. Let's first start with Team Aroroy. Wearing jersey number 0, Rona Cortez. Wearing jersey number 9, Hopper on the board. Wearing jersey number 16, Decoy El Rosario. Number 36, Alfred Lalo. And wearing jersey number 49, Rodney Garcobos. And for the first spot for Team Baleno, wearing jersey number 51, Danilo Lauro. Wearing jersey number 24, Jonas Trujillo. Wearing jersey number 12, On Wu. Wearing jersey number 14, Chavez Almashor. And wearing jersey number 8, Gold Robusto. And for the officials for this moment, Richie Robert Malusa, number 1, Veronica Chimacera, number 2, CJ Sanchez. This is your Bicol Cup Masbate, Atito!
And yun, nagbabalik tayo dito sa ating first game of our doubleheader, Aroroy versus Baleno. You know, partner, this is a high-stake ball game for Team Aroroy. And for Baleno, tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang pagkapanalo dito at wala pang talo, 4-0.
Yun na nga, kakasabi ko lang kanina. Two of the hottest teams right now dito sa ating liga. Battling it out, and of course, Aroroy wants to be the number 1 dito sa kanilang standings, while Baleno wants to be wala pang talo dito sa ating liga.
Tuloy-tuloy nga yun. At itong si Mark Paul with the ball. Pass it to Joquino. Humihingi ng screen dito. Salvacion drives against Cantojos.
And kung napansin mo, partner, si Haffer is very aggressive from the start ng ating ball game, dahil nga yun ang kinakailangan. Haffer is he has a nose sa defense para dito sa Aroroy. But right now, he is very aggressive pagdating sa offense.
Yes, partner. At ayun na nga, balik ang bola dito sa mga taga-Baleno. The last touch yun ni Mark Poole on that first possession for Baleno. Ito naman, tingnan natin kung ano ang gagawin dito. Mortel with the ball. Guarded by Joquino. Signaling the play.
Yes, Mortel, one of the steadiest point guard partner dito on the side of Aroroy. With a turnover, Laurio is called for steps, partner.
That's a traveling violation. Ito, maganda din ang pinapakita nito ni Jomari Laurio when it comes sa team ng Baleno. Kumbaga, talagang nagbibigyan siya dito ng pagkakataon. Kasi nga, partner, wala dito yung isa nilang speedster din na si Sean Manlapa. So, for sure, mabibigyan ito ng chance dito si Laurio. At again, ito.
And of course, he has a tall order of guarding Tigboy de Rosario right now.
Oo.
Kaya tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari dito on that sequence. Pero si Paul stalls the ball.
Ito, Mark Poole, strong drive for 2. Yes, sir! Mark Poole, first 2 points for Team Baleno dito. Good drive on the part of Mark Poole on that play.
Yes, medyo hindi maganda naging bagsak niya. Pero because of his athleticism, magandang kinalabasan ang kanyang layup.
Yes, ito. Mortel signal in the play.
And Jokino steals the ball and Mortel commits a turnover and na-foul niya itong si Jokino.
Ito, maaga pa lang talaga itong depensahan ng dalawang kupunan na makikita natin. Talaga maganda dito. Sabi nga natin na ito partner, high stake talaga. Kailangan wag matalo dito. Kung gusto nilang makapasok at magkaroon ng chance na talaga malaking chance itong mga taga-Aroroy, kailangan nilang ipanalo itong laban na ito. Kasi nga, nung kanilang unang outing ay tinalo sila ng Masbate City. So, and again, maganda din yung naging complexion ng ating standing kasi yung Masbate tinalo ng Milagros.
Tama ka dyan, si Jokino inside. Mintis ang kanyang tira, tinapik ni Tikboy.
Ito, grabe din. Nagbababa ng bola. Ito ng si Mondragon. Rihuso challenges Mark Poole. That's a block on Mark Poole on that drive. But again, good aggressiveness on the part of Rihuso on that play. Kahit alam niya na medyo mas malaki itong si Mark Poole on that play.
And of course, credit also to the pesky defense ng mga guards kaya nakapag-sapal itong si Mark Poole. Tikboy.
In and out on that play. But again, a second chance opportunity. Wala yon for Rihuso. Ito na, that's a foul. Ito kagandahan itong mga bigs, itong dalawang koponan partner. They are mobile bigs. Ito si Hafer Mondragon kahit on the early 40s na ito, no? Talagang very agile. But again, sabi ko nga, medyo magandang matchup ito. Experience versus young blood dito kay Noy Fragoso. Again, Noy Fragoso misses the shot.
Yun na nga talagang kailangan lampasan ni Fragoso itong si Kuya Randy Contos at si Hafer Mondragon in this play.
Ito, double high play for Team Aroroy. Mondragon to Rihuso. Rihuso drives. Pass to Cantojos. Cantojos for 3. Gets it! Oh, that's a long two.
Yes, that's a long two
for Randy Cantojos. First two-pointer ni Randy Cantojos dito sa ating ball game.
And a good pass galing dito kay Rihuso.
Good recognition on Rihuso para dito kay Randy Cantojos. Now Mark Poole with the ball. Signaling the play. Humingi ng screen kay Salvacion. Guarded by Rihuso. Mark Poole, wala pa rin. Drives. Pass to Laurio. Blocked by Mondragon, but there's a foul. Dalawa na yan.
And that is not a good news on the side of Aroroy dahil nga si Hafer Mondragon commits his second personal foul. And naisan siya ni Noy Fragoso on that sequence, faking that shot and fishing for a foul.
Now the free throw line is Noy Fragoso. First throw counted in for Noy Fragoso.
And alam naman natin si Noy Fragoso who played several legs sa ating liga talaga and he's a champion player partner. He's in the lineup of Kamaligan who won the first ever championship dito sa Kamsur. Takes the second free throw.
Now Rihuso again challenges Mark Poole. Pass to Randy Cantojos. To Mondragon. Now to Mortel. Mortel guarded by Jokino. Humingi ng screen to Mondragon. Extra pass. Again. That's a turnover on the part of Ronald Mortel. Gusto niya sanang ipasa dito kay Tikboy de Rosario.
Nakala ni Mortel kasi kanina nakapwesto doon si Tikboy. Kaya binalik niya. And right now we have a timeout galing sa Team Aroroy.
Yes, partner. Team Aroroy. First ceasefire dito. 2-4. Labang ang Baleno ng dalawa with 6 minutes and 26 seconds remaining sa ating opening frame. Partner, alam mo, grabe. Dito pa lang talaga makita mo. 4-2. Ganito na, 6 minutes. Grabe ang depensahan ng dalawang kupunan at ayaw magpatalo talaga.
And halos nagkakabahan pa ang dalawang teams right now. Because we know for the fact that this is a pressure fact game. So talagang this is a must win. Lalong-lalo na sa Aroroy. It's been on a 3-game winning streak.
Yes.
And right now naman is Baleno wants to become still undefeated dito sa ating liga.
Ito, sabi nga, as you can see, kanina the bench of Team Baleno Pansinin ko lang ito, their last game, itong si Noy Fragoso scored 20 points against Mandaon, grabs 14 rebounds with 4 assists and 3 steals on that game. So tingnan natin kung ano mag-contribute niya dito sa kupunan ng Baleno dito sa game na ito as Jukino signaling the play. That's an offensive foul on Noy Fragoso.
And that is an ill-advised partner. Kumbaga, wala naman sa action. And that is a silly foul for me, partner.
So, very vital itong mga roles, itong mga bigs for both teams. Now, Mondragon has 2 fouls and Noy Fragoso has 1 foul. Dito pa lang sa ating opening frame. As Mortel. Pass to Rihuso. Rihuso drives to Mondragon. Mondragon for 3. Gets it! First 3-pointers.
Yes, and we know for the fact that Haver can hit that. Kaya kailangan bantayan at lumabas si Noy on that sequence.
Yes, partner. So ito, balik naman ang bola sa mga taga Baleno dito. Jukino.
And as of late talaga si Jukino kasi suffered an injury kaya medyo nakaka-recover pa lang. And Salvacion, top of the circle tray, kaboom!
Sagot naman niya agad ni Joven Salvacion. His own version of 3-pointer. As Mortel brings down the ball for Team Aroroy. Pass to Mondragon. Mondragon naghahanap ng mapapasahan dito. To Rihuso. Tickboy on the low post against Laurio. Tickboy, easy 2 for him on that play.
Merong slight disadvantage sa height disparity pero sa katawan halos pareho. So tingnan natin if Aroroy and Tickboy will capitalize on that mismatch set.
And a strong drive on Mark Poole on that play. Another 2 points for Mark Poole. And a steal dito for Mark Poole. Nagmamadali. Challenges Mondragon. But that's a block, partner.
Look at the talagang tabang ni Haver. He has 2 fouls. But he challenges that layup galing dito kay Mark Poole.
Ito, Mark Poole has 4 points dito sa ating ball game. Good defensive stop on the part of Team Aroroy on that play. Laurio. Knockout play, partner. Part of Baleno. Ito naman, nagmamadalin mga taga-Aroroy. Mortel. Pass to Rihuso. Drives to Mortel again. Jumper. Gets it.
Grabe.
Ronald Mortel.
Yes, very steady point guard. He is coming cool. Kaya kahit kanina nag-turnover siya right now. He's in the groove and trying to lead Mortel, Aroroy in this game.
Yes, partner. Ito. Mark Poole, take that jumper, wala, rebound. Mondragon, ito, signaling, sabi ni Mondragon, dapat tumakbo ka na ka sa kabila, Rihuso, but again, Tickboy de Rosario with the ball, screen. Tickboy, thinking 3, pass to Contos, but shot is turnover. That could have been a good high-low play for these 2 big guys for Team Aroroy, Cantojos and Mondragon.
Yan ang sabi ni Haver kanina, yun yung sinasabi ko rin sa mga batang players. Pag nasa low blocking, huwag mo masyado magmadali.
Yes, partner.
So, should read the situation and react after.
Of course, usual triple threat, no? Read the defense before thinking kung anong gagawin. As Jukino, fire sa 3, wala. Rebound, Tickboy de Rosario. Now, Tickboy, dribbling, dancing. To Rihuso, back to de Rosario, guarded by Salvacion. Tickboy for 3, wala. Rebound by Mortel. Mortel for 2, gets it. Good second chance opportunity for Team Aroroy dito. And that's the first deadlock of the ball game. 11.
Yes, and if you look at the eyes of Mortel partner, he's on a mission right now and talagang every time he commits a turnover, pagbalik, nakita mo yung aggressiveness sa depensa.
Yes, partner.
And walang dalawang isip sa pagbukol sa mga shooting.
Yun ang talagang dapat gawin itong mga locals, itong Team Aroroy. No? They need to step up here, partner. Kung gusto nilang talagang manalo dito sa larong ito. Sabi nga natin, hindi naman kakayanin. Although may mga guest and imports ka, no? Pero hindi yan kakayanin kung sila-sila lang. But kailangan din mag-step up itong mga locals dito for Team Aroroy. As you can see, the bench, speaking of the Team Aroroy, Tickboy de Rosario on their last game, 29 big points with 9 rebounds, almost a double-double on that game against Mobo with 5 assists and 5 steals, partner. So ito, talagang babantayan natin ito, si Tickboy de Rosario for Team Aroroy.
And as you can see, partner, maraming tao dito as early as 4 p.m.
Kanina, no? Grabe
and,
na.
May mga drums and may mga kung ano pa silang gadgets para talagang mag-cheer for the team.
Because you know, partner, this is the matchup to wait for District 2, no? Baleno and Aroroy. Ito, Jukino miscommunication on the part of Team Baleno on that play.
And as of late, si Jokino has been struggling sa ating liga because nga, he suffered an injury partner prior dito sa liga na to.
Hindi pa 100% ito, no? But again, this is an important game. So naglalaro siya, Cantojos against Fajardo. Mondragon, another 3. Overshoots, but again, Tikboy is there for an end one play opportunity.
And partner, we know for the fact na Tikboy wants the ball, pero kanina hindi siya humingi ng bola, nakakuha na score after that miss ng kanyang mga teammates.
Yes, partner. So ayan, as we look at this good rebound on the part of Tikboy de Rosario.
And he has now 4 points and a chance to add his 5th point in the ball game.
Yes, 5th point.
And the lead now is
abante
with
na dito
Aroroy.
ang mga taga-Aroroy. As Jokino signals the play to Fragoso. Again, challenges the defense of Aroroy. That's a turnover. Now Tikboy de Rosario to Randy Cantojos. To Mortel. Short stop jumper. Wala. Rebound Fragoso to Mark Poole. Ito. Mark Poole against two Aroroy defender to Fajardo. To Jokino. Jokino for 3. Wala pa rin. Medyo inaalat, partner.
And look at the luxury of having big guys. Linabas po si Salvacion ang pumalit si Fajardo. Kaya talagang walang tulak kabigin ang lineup ng Baleno right now.
Again, ito. Lihuso, another 3 for Mondragon. The second 3-pointer of Hafer Mondragon on this ball game.
And Cap Mondragon right now is not smiling. He means business right now, partner.
Yes, partner. This Hafer Mondragon guy means business at Mark Poole thinking 3. That's a turnover. Ayun na, yun ang gusto ni Hafer Mondragon. Torihuso again to Cantojos. Good. 2-man game for Team Aroroy.
And tingnan natin, partner, kung paano magre-react ang Baleno right now. Kasi alam naman natin, all throughout the tournament, talagang hindi nakakalamang. Yes.
Ito, handa ba dito itong mga, ayun, may sagot itong si Fajardo on that play. So sabi nga natin, handa ba itong mga taga-Baleno na sila ang nalalamangan dito? At ito.
Hafer in Fajardo right now.
Sabi ni Hafer, mag-i-inbound na ako ba't nandyan ka pa? So ito, Rihuso with the ball to Mortel. Mortel for 3. Wala. Rebound. Gets by Noy Fragoso. But again, that's a second opportunity for Team Aroroy as Tikboy de Rosario grabs that 50-50 ball. Noy Fragoso again to Jokino. Tries another 3. Jokino is still can't connect. Ito naman, tumatakbo mga taga-Aroroy with Tikboy de Rosario. Tikboy now with the ball dancing. Pass to Mortel. To Cantojos. Cantojos for 3. Gets it to go!
And Aroroy is in a roll right now, partner. Draining threes after threes. And right now, don't look now. This is an 11-point lead para dito sa Aroroy.
Yes, partner. So tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng mga taga-Baleno. Mark Poole, sasagot ng kanyang 3-pointer.
And a much-needed score on the part. And we have a foul away from the ball.
Yes, that's a foul away from the ball. So talagang yung body check, partner, na binibigay nito ni Jokino.
Yun ang sinasabi ko sa mga batang players ngayon. Ganyan ang nangyayari sa inyo. Ibig sabihin effective kayo dahil talagang away from the ball, binibigyan kayo ng mga foul. So talagang sabi ko, be aggressive lang talaga every game.
Ito, Rihuso. Now with the ball. Rihuso now. 10 seconds to shoot. To Mondragon. Guarded by Fragoso. Short stop jumper. Wala. Rebound by Fajardo. But there's a foul with 1.7 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
Pero I like the aggressiveness of Hafer Mondragon in that sequence. Talagang during his lit run days, talagang meron siyang mga fadeaway jumpers na yan. So tingnan natin sa ating second quarter. So ang susunod na quarter kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang scoring ni Hafer.
Ito, last shot for Team Baleno. Kabog.
And that ends our first quarter with a score of 24-16. Sa later part, medyo bumulusok itong Aroroy because of the total team effort na pinakita nila.
Yes, partner, kumbaga change of momentum on that last goings ng ating first quarter. Courtesy of Cantojos and also Tikboy de Rosario, and of course that 2 triples na binitawan nito ni Hafer Mondragon on this first quarter pa lang. So again, sa ating mga Lloyd tuners po, this is the battle against Aroroy and Baleno, a high-stake ball game for Team Aroroy dito if they want to be on that second round of our Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. At again, for Team Baleno naman, tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang panalo, 4-0 ang kanilang kartada, at ito namang mga taga-Aroroy ay 3-1 win-loss record. So as we now go back to the ball game for our second quarter, at ang bola ay mapupunta sa mga taga-Baleno dito. Laurio involves the ball to Mark Pool. Now Mark Pool with the basketball. Pass to Fragoso. Now Fajardo on the low post against. But Mintisyon for Fajardo. Rebound.
And nako po, that is not a good sign on the part of Baleno. Noy Fragoso commits his second personal foul. Pareho na sila ni Hafer. And talagang kakaumpisa pa lang ng ating second quarter. Nag-commit na kagad ng foul itong si Noy Fragoso.
Ito, pansinin natin yung mga good performers on that last quarter partner for Team Aroroy. Tikboy de Rosario may 7 puntos na, and look at this George Rihuso, 4 assists partner dito sa ating ball game, and sa kabila Mark Pool with 7 points naman.
Yes, yun na nga, Mark Pool being the lone bright spot para dito sa Baleno, and also si Rihuso is continue attacking the paint.
Ito, Tikboy de Rosario, mismatch here against Fajardo. Tingnan natin kung ano gagawin ni Tikboy. Drives, lays it up for 2 points. Yun, partner, dapat iwasan itong mga taga-Baleno dito. Yung switch, partner, dapat may communication sila kasi magkakaroon ng mismatch as Mark Pool, hard drive to the basket. And there's a foul on number 12 guy for Team Aroroy, Justin Cordova. And right now, we have a report mula sa ating courtside reporter na si Miss Danica Garcia. Danica, ano bang balita dyan?
Maayong hapon, Masbate, and maayong hapon, Coach Paul and Coach John. We witnessed kanina sa first quarter ang mainit na bakbakan ng Team Baleno versus Team Aroroy coaches ngayong araw dito sa Day 21 ng Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. According to Head Coach Allen Licop of Team Baleno, they are ready today for their matchup between Team Aroroy. Planado na rin daw nila kung papaano nila tatrabahuin ang labanang ito between Team Aroroy. Before this game daw kasi, coaches, pinanood na nila ang naging tapatan ng Team Aroroy at Team Masbate last time at kung ano raw ang naging technique ng kabilang kupunan, yun ang pinababantayan niya sa kanyang players today. Dagdag pa ni Coach, kulang din pala sila ngayon ng isang player. Yan ay si Sean Manlapas dahil injured ito last time. Sa ngayon, hiling ni Coach Allen na sana ma-materialize ng kanyang mga players ang ginawa nilang play. That's the latest update dito sa courtside. Balik sa inyo, Coach Paul and Coach John.
Okay, thank you, Miss Danica Garcia. Tikboy launches sa 3 points sa pagbabalik ng ating ball game.
Grabe yung talong partner ni Laurio on that sequence.
But again, good read. Good read on the part of Tikboy de Rosario to get that steal from the pass dito kay Salvacion. Tikboy against Salvacion on this play. Tikboy signaling the clear out. But there's a foul. Away from the ball. That's another foul for Team Baleno. That's Laurio. So, first foul on Danilo Laurio on that play. So again, mapapansin mo, talagang very physical itong ball game na ito. As Tikboy inbounds the ball, pass to Rihuso, back to Tikboy de Rosario. Guarded by Laurio. Humingi ng screen. Still, with the ball is Tikboy. Tikboy dancing. And take that running shot, wala. Rebound by Mark Pool on that play.
And good defense on the part of Laurio, not giving up on the play para kay Tikboy de Rosario.
Ito, nagmamadali is Mark Pool. Muntik na maagaw ni Morten. Ascabog with the ball. But there's a foul before that drive. But again, Mortel. That's the the second foul. Or that's the third foul on Ronald Mortel on that sequence. So ito, Cabog will troop to the line for 2-pointer. For 2 dito. Cabog. First throw, basket. 26-19. Abante pa rin po ang mga taga-Aroroy dito with 8 minutes and 7 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Cabog, 6 the second one. So for 2 itong si Cabog coming off the bench. So palitan dito ng tao.
Yes, coming off the bench, scoring at will, and right now he has a tall order of guarding this speedsters ng mga Aroroy.
So pinasok dito for Team Aroroy. Ito si Anden Calo for Mortel kasi nga foul trouble na ito. May 3 ng foul dito sa ating ball game. Rehuso with the ball against Mark Poole. Now signaling the play.
And kanina pa partner talaga si Rehuso is challenging ito si Mark Poole.
Boy, another jumper, wala. Rebound, Mark Poole on that play. Ginugulo ngayon ng 3 white shirt. And ayun, tuluyan na steal. Rehuso with a jumper, wala pa rin. Salvacion gets the ball. And a miscommunication on the part of Mark Poole and Salvacion on that play.
And medyo siniswerte pa partner talaga itong Aroroy right now. Because kanina almost possession na ng Baleno pero napunta pa sa kanilang bola.
But again, kita mo naman kasi partner yung efforts talaga when it comes to defense and getting that second chance opportunity. Ito mga taga-Aroroy, Ascalo, guarded by Cabog. Cabog steals the ball. Ayun,
double block ay partner.
Double block ay.
Nakagawa na siya, na-foul pa siya, and Cabog is doing a great job para dito sa kanyang team, scoring and also defending.
Yes, partner. So that's a good thing for Team Baleno. But yun, balik sa kanilang bola as Laurio inbounds the ball to Cabog. Cabog signaling a play to Noy Fragoso. Thinking 3, ayun na nga, tumira, wala. Rebound by Mondragon. Ito, Mondragon with the ball to Calo. To Del Rosario. Del Rosario humihingi ng screen. Randy Cantojos. Tikboy again for 3. Wala. Rebound by Mondragon. Napunta kay Cantojos. So Tikboy Del Rosario. Tikboy Del Rosario now. Pass to Randy. Ayun. Nagulat siya doon. Walang bantay. But Tikboy for 3.
And what a wonderful pass sa Nakaso. Binalik pero...
That could have been an easy 2 for Randy Cantojos. But again, mas gusto niya yung 3-pointer ni Tikboy Del Rosario. Cabog. Guarded by Calo, still by Rehuso to Randy Cantojos. Now running is Aroroy. To Aden Calo. Tikboy. Guarded by Cabog. Tikboy. Fakes. Take the shot. Gets it to go.
And he is on fire.
Grabe. That's the second triple dito sa ating second quarter ni Tikboy Del Rosario. Napatimeout doon partner itong mga taga-Baleno. So sa'yo na nga, medyo kumakapal itong kalamangan ng mga taga-Aroroy dito. 32-20 with 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Yun na nga, tama ka dyan partner. And kanina, what a wonderful shot, and that deserves a second look partner kanina. And for sure, pasok yan sa ating top 10 plays. Ayan na partner.
Of course. Ayan, that's the first 3 points dito ni Tikboy Del Rosario doon sa pasa ni Randy Cantojos. At sa pagbalik, ayun, another 3-pointer for Tikboy Del Rosario on that good baseline drive plus step back partner dito. Ito 11 points itong si Tikboy dito sa ating ball game.
And medyo si Jonas Duquino is not scored. And
ito, Jonas Duquino signaling the play, guarded by Mortel. Binalik na dito si Mortel, humingi ng screen kay Fragoso. Duquino with the ball. Wala, naghahanap ng mapapasan. That's a turnover. And Tikboy Del Rosario. And a foul. Last the basket. That's a good recognition dito kay Tikboy de Rosario. Alam niya partner, wala sa balance doon while running itong si Jokino. So ayun. That's a good fishing expedition for Tikboy de Rosario on that play.
And that is
Basket plus end one.
And that is the 8 straight points para dito kay Del Rosario.
8 straight point for Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating second quarter. 15 points, make that 16 points partner for Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating ball game. So, papalitan dito si Jokino at ipapasok itong si De La Rosa for Team Baleno.
And right now medyo malaking pagkawala ang Shane Manlapas because
partner, sabi
he's
nga
the part
natin.
of rotation dito sa Baleno, but right now he's injured, so talagang malaking kawalan itong si Shane Manlapas right now.
Kung mapapansin mo, itong si Mark Bull tuloy ay na-stretch sa pagiging guard partner. But again, that's a good drive on Mark Bull on that play.
And still continuing being aggressive dito si Mark Bull and scores his
Yes, partner, that's
8 point.
9 points partner nito ni Mark Bull. Again. Dito medyo partner nagkakaroon ng pagkakaiba, no? Medyo nagiging over-aggressive naman itong mga taga-Baleno dito.
And on the side naman of Roy Mortel is very focused partner dito sa ating laro.
Ito, Tikboy. Inbound to Mondragon to Rihuso. Rihuso to Di Rosario. Pass to Mondragon inside against Fragoso. That's a block on Noy Fragoso. Good defense.
And good defense on the part of Noy Fragoso, blocking that shot of Haver, and Haver did not like that call. And remember partner, those two guys has two personal fouls, kaya talagang sinusugal nila and all out sila pagdating dito sa ating laro.
Alam nila yon. They keep on challenging each other partner dito sa ating ball game. Sa balik ang bola dito sa mga taga-Baleno as Del Rosario brings down the ball. Guarded by Mortel. Downhill drive. Wala. Rebound by Fragoso. Second chance opportunity. That's easy two for Noy Fragoso on that play.
And hinayaan na lang ni Haver to score on that sequence si Noy Fragoso because he has two personal fouls and didn't want to commit his third personal foul.
That's the only 4 point of the ball game dito for Noy Fragoso. Ito. Again, another foul dito for De La Rosa.
And medyo si De La Rosa talaga nang gigigil dito kay Mortel. And
kasi kung mapapansin mo, ito si Mortel, poker face. Talagang ano lang eh.
Tama ka dyan, partner, talaga.
Nakafocus lang eh. So, lagi niya tinitingnan. Ito kanina ko pa napansin. Lagi niya tinitingnan si Tikboy de Rosario kung anong gustong gawin ni Tikboy. And then, hihingi ng screen. Papunta dun sa mismatch. So, Mortel sinks the first free throw. Again, balik sa 11 ang abante ng mga taga-Aroroy dito. Second free throw, uses the glass. And gets that for Mortel. Ito, partner.
Kita mo partner talaga yung mukha itong si Mortel right now.
As De La Rosa brings down the ball. De La Rosa again. Good drive on the part of De La Rosa on that play. First 2 points.
And what a gutsy move over dito kay Mortel and challenging Haver Mondragon. Talagang ganda rin ang pinapakita. And Tikboy, what a good matchup. Mano y mano. Step back jumper for Tikboy.
That's it. Grabe. Good defense on the part of Mark Bull on that play, but a better offense on the part of Tikboy de Rosario as Mark Bull. Babawi kaya?
And
Pass
good
to-
defense by Rihuso. Catonos with the board.
Miscommunication on that play for Rihuso.
And basket and 1-pointer. The hoop in the arm para dito kay Mark Bull.
So that's the foul. Second foul on Rihuso. And again, Mark Bull with a 2 points plus N1. Ito.
And siya ngayon ang nagiging bright spot dito sa Baleno because Noy Fragoso is shut down by Haver Mondragon.
Yes, partner.
And si Bull tuloy-tuloy pa rin na mag-score and completes his 3-point play.
So Balik ang bola sa mga taga-Aroroy with 3 minutes and 37 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. Ito, Rihuso. Guarded by Pool. Pinasa kay Mondragon but sa muntik nang ma-turnover doon in that play.
8 seconds to shoot.
8 seconds to shoot dito for Team Aroroy. Tikboy inbounding the ball. Again, another 3-pointer. Gets it!
And another point, Rosario is in a roll right now.
Grabe, 4 3-pointers dito sa ating second quarter. Ito si Tikboy de Rosario. Mark Pool.
Yan na talaga,
Susubukan bumawi.
And right now, there's no stopping Mark Pool being aggressive sa larong ito.
So again, that's a foul. Dito kay Rihuso. But again, Mark Pool missed that free throw.
Again, the question right now is Mark Pool capable of scoring hanggang sa fourth quarter and also Tikboy de Rosario. And because kailangan din ng mga help ng mga locals on both teams. So talagang tingnan natin if they will be materialized si Contonos with a leak in. Leak out para kay Randy Cantos.
It's an easy 2 points for Randy Cantos. Wala man lang bumaba on the part of Team Baleno on that play. So again, balik ang bola sa mga taga Baleno as De La Rosa to Pool. Pool up for 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Progoso. Progoso with a push shot. Wala. Rebound by Tikboy de Rosario. Ito nagmamadali mga taga Aroroy as Rihuso back to Tikboy de Rosario. That's a good play. Good and unselfish play on the part of Rihuso for Tikboy de Rosario. Look at this second look.
And also credit to Rihuso finding the trailing Tikboy de Rosario and finishing with that layup plus the foul.
Grabe. That's another basket. 22 big points, partner. Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating second quarter pa lang ng ating first game.
This is just the first half.
Ito, De La Rosa. It's a traveling partner on that play for De La Rosa. Mapapansin mo, partner, once na itong mga taga-Balena ay humingi ng screen, automatic quick double on the ball handler. So talagang they are counting these players for Team Baleno dito.
And may pinasok dito sa Baleno, pinasok si number 7 na si Roser Cabog to defend Tikboy. I guess yung height disparity halos pareho and tingnan natin if Cabog will contain Tikboy de Rosario.
Ito, 18-point lead na po ang lamang dito ng mga taga-Aroroy as Tikboy. Another launches a three. Wala. Rebound by Noel Pagoso to Mark Pool. Nagmamadali ito si Fajardo. Miss layup. Rebound by Mondragon to Tikboy de Rosario. Guarded by Cabog. Now Tikboy. Hinintay ang mga kasama. Mortel to Mondragon. Mondragon guarded by Fragoso. Mondragon for 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Fajardo. Mark Pool now with the ball. Fast forward to Fragoso. Challenges by Mondragon in that play but again recovers for 2 points itong si Noy Fragoso.
Grabe talaga itong si Harper Mondragon. Challenging even though he has 2 fouls. And right now Fragoso stops the bleeding pagdating dito sa scoring.
Ito. That's a double foul away from the ball. Ito si Tikboy and si Mark Pool on that play.
Foul. Foul number 16, Tikboy de Rosario. First personal foul, 7th foul. Foul number 11.
It's a first foul. Tikboy de Rosario and Mark Pool also first foul. Dito. 14 seconds to shoot as Mondragon with the ball. Dito Tikboy. Humingi ng screen. Fly by. Plus gets it! Another 3-pointer plus a 4-point play opportunity on that play at medyo doubts. Masakit yun, partner, for Noy Fragoso. That's the third personal foul of Noy Fragoso.
And yun na nga, partner, ayan, after that pick na binigay ni Haffer and that fake.
Gandang fake.
And talagang sumabit itong si Fragoso.
Kitang-kita yon ng ating referee ng si Ronnie Manilisa. Grabe. Big Boy Del Rosario is now on the 24 mark dito. 24 points, partner. Mark Bull with the ball to Fajardo, down below against Randy Cantojos, but there's a foul on Randy Cantojos on that play.
Foul on Randy Cantojos. First personal foul penalty. Shooting 2, Fajardo.
First try.
Yun ang first try is pasok. Yun ang talaga kailangan ng Baleno right now is the scoring.
Yes, partner, sabi nga natin, hindi kaya ni Mark Bull at Dick Fragoso lang yung in terms of scoring, no? Kaya kailangan may ibang mag-step up dito for team Baleno.
Number 47, Royal Linya for Team Arroy.
Ito. Pasok muna dito itong si Royal Mine. Kapalit si Randy Cantojos.
I guess to add veteran leadership and also power pagdating dito sa ilalim.
As Rihuso is now with the ball. Rihuso against Mark Poole. Pass to Mondragon. Mondragon for 3. Wala. Rihuso. Wala. Nakuha ng mga taga-Baleno. Kabog. Pass forward to Fragoso. Steal by Tikboy Del Rosario. Tikboy now. Nagmamadali. Challenges Fajardo. Block.
And good defense.
Good defense on the part of Fajardo. But again, Tikboy with the ball. Pass to Rihuso. To Mondragon. Mondragon for short stop down. Wala din. And, may nahanap na foul doon. Ito si Fajardo.
I like the matchup of Alminia partner and Fajardo.
That's the fourth foul, partner, of Rihuso dito sa ating ball game at penalty na dito. Ito mga taga Aroroy.
Number 26, Angel Calo for Team Arroy.
So ito, Fajardo will troop to the line because nga penalty na. With 25.6 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter.
Medyo nagulat partner itong Baleno.
Yes nga, yun nga.
Because of the run.
Tama nga yung sinabi mo kanina, partner, kung saan na iba itong mga taga-Baleno na sila ang nalalamangan dito. So, sa Fajardo sinks the second free throw with 25.6 remaining sa ating second quarter. At Mortel again, binalik dito sa ating ball game. Now Mortel guarded by De La Rosa. Signaling the play. Pass to Del Rosario. 14 to shoot. Tikboy signaling a clear out dito against Kabog. Now, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin. Tikboy drives. Hesitate. Jumper. Wala yan for Tikboy Del Rosario. Rebound by Kabog. Kabog now with 1 second. Good block on the part of Tikboy on that last play.
And that ends our first half. What an exciting one para sa atin. And lamang po ang Aroroy 52-35 and napakaganda ng first half.
Yes, partner. So titingnan natin kung anong mga adjustments ang gagawin itong mga taga Baleno dito. So again, ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup Basbate atid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Tatabang na, kasurog pa. Magbabalik po kami.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang kongresman. Kayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
And we are back live mga kaibigan dito sa Milagros Covered Court para sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate leg. And ako muna mga kaibigan ang magpapalit kay Kuis Wadi dahil medyo masakit na
grabe
kanyang
pati yung,
lalamunan,
yung intense ng game. Grabe talaga. At medyo sabi nga natin tayo nandito sa panel ay nadadala din sa ball game. But again, partner, pasadahan natin itong halftime statistics for both teams, no? So tingnan natin itong Aroroy at Baleno on that last half. Bench scoring 9-0. So maganda pinapakita nitong mga bench players, itong Baleno ay nagko-contribute dito sa ating ball game. But points in the paint, pareho yan, 16-16. Turnovers, ito masakit, partner, for Team Baleno. 13 turnovers yung kanilang naitala doon sa first half kumpara sa 8 lang ng mga taga Aroroy dito. Fast break points, lamang ang Aroroy, 15-10. So maganda yan for them. And second chance opportunity, so almost identical nga with 8-8. So yan, partner, ang titingnan nating numbers comes the second half, kung magbabago ba yan, kung ano ba yung mga adjustment for both teams, partner. But pansinin ko lang, itong field goal percentage for Team Aroroy, 47.5, 36.7 naman dito sa mga taga-Baleno. Ito medyo, partner, medyo masakit. 3-point conversion, 53.3% for Team Aroroy at 22.2 naman for Team Baleno dito. Ito, partner, leading scorers natin for both teams, Tikboy De Rosario with 31 points dito sa ating ball game with 4 rebounds, partner, and 5 steal. At ito naman si George Rihuso, may 6 na assist dito. At pero may 4 na siyang foul for Team Baleno. Noy Fragoso with 3 personal foul. But again, ito si Mark Poole ay mayroon ng 15 points dito sa ating ball game.
Ayan mga kaibigan, nagbabalik tayo dito for our second half. Ball possession ay mapupunta dito sa mga taga-Baleno. Grabe, no, coach, kanina napapanood ko yung laro habang kayo nagkakas ni Kuya Swad. Mainit yung laro. Sobrang init. Lalong-lalo na sa 3-point line when it comes to Tikboy De Rosario. Pero ayun, Mark Poole going inside, disregarding the defense, making another 2-point open up this second half para sa Baleno.
Partner. So good, strong move on the part of Mark Poole. So kailangan niya ng mga taga-Baleno dito to be aggressive more on the offensive side, partner.
Pero yan, Aroroy ngayon, they have the lead. Mortel with the ball, pero matatawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 7, Kabog, ng ating mga taga-Baleno.
So first foul, Rosier Kabog dito sa ating ball game. And this is the task of Kabog here is to defend Tikboy De Rosario nga kasi mainit itong si Tikboy dito with 31 points na dito sa ating ball game.
Yan. 10 seconds to shoot. Mortel fires a 3. That's good. Another 3-pointer para sa side ng mga taga-Aroroy. Shots here from the 3-point line are falling today para sa ating mga taga-Aroroy.
So yun nga yung napansin natin when it comes sa beyond the arc, itong mga taga-Aroroy dito. Maganda ang pinapakita nila with 52% on that Rainbow Country. So tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan dito for Team Aroroy. But again, another steal on the part of Team Aroroy.
Easy layup sana doon para kay jersey number 26 na si Kalo. Kaso masyadong napalakas yung kanyang attempt. Pero may second chance pa dito ang mga taga-Aroroy. Mortel now passes inside to Del Rosario. Fadeaway jumper. No good. Poole here securing that rebound para sa mga taga-Baleno. Isa sa mga key players here. Pero yun, another steal here. Swipe again by Mortel. 3-on-2, fast break, fires a 3! Back-to-back 3-pointers para kay Mortel dito mga kaibigan. And mapapatawag ng timeout dito ang ating mga taga-Baleno with 8 minutes and 20 seconds, 58-37 ang ating score dito.
Grabe, partner, hawa-hawa na ito for Team Aroroy. Mortel, dalawang 3-pointer kagad ang binitawan sa ating opening frame ng ating second half. So sabi ko nga, partner, napapansin namin kanina ni Wadi na talagang ito si Mortel ang napaka-game face, partner. Focus na focus sa kanyang laro dito sa ball game na ito. So maganda ang pinapakita nito for Team Aroroy, courtesy of Ronald Mortel.
And on the side naman, coach ng Baleno, they need to make some changes here ng strategy nila and their offense and their defense, and kailangan na ditong ma-activate ni Noy Pragoso in this ball game. Isa siya sa mga best players ng mga taga-Baleno. Siya ang isa sa mga players na maaasahan nila. And now, he needs to be activated. Pero ayan, on that side ng ating mga taga-Baleno, jersey number 24, Jukino gets that layup kahit grabe yung depensang nasa loob ng paint.
Sabi mo nga kanina, hindi pwedeng si Noy Pragoso lang. Dapat ito mga taga-Baleno has to step up here when it comes to their offense.
Pero napapansin ko lang, grabe din kasi yung yung aggressiveness netong mga taga-Aroroy when it comes to defending the player na naghahawak ng bola. Talagang dino-double team nila. Kung hindi nila kahit triple team pa nila. Pero ayan mo, Dragon for 3! Is good.
Maganda ang shooting nito mga taga-Aroroy, and Mondragon with his own version of that 3-pointer.
Jukino hindi magpapahuli. No good sa kanyang 3-pointer, pero may second chance pa dito mga taga-Baleno. Putback, wala pa rin. Another one. This time it goes para kay Lumbario.
Sa Laurio, partner.
Laurio. Sorry.
Play. Ito, mating-igting ang depensa for Team Baleno.
20-point lead mga kaibigan ang hawak dito, pero matatawagan ng I think a technical foul.
That's a flap, partner.
Oo. Mondragon. Pero bago tayo, coach, bumalik dito sa ating hardcourt, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Danica Garcia to give us an update. Danica, please.
Thanks, Coach Paul and Burns. Defense is our key to win this game. Yan ang naging payag sa akin ni Head Coach Orlando Almonte Jr. of Team Aroroy. Yan kasi ang nakikita niyang kalamangan daw ng kanilang kupunan. Ayon sa kanya, their goal for today's ball game is ma-stop ang mga big man ng Team Baleno. Malaking tulong din sa kanilang team ang pagiging professional basketball player ng kanilang import na si Tikboy Del Rosario. According to him, Tikboy contributed a lot for them, their team, especially sa kanilang depensa at opensa. The chemistry also of their players inside the court ang nagiging inspirasyon niya daw ngayong araw na ito. Sa ngayon, malamangan lang daw nila ang Team Baleno, abot kamay na nila ang panalo. That's the latest update dito sa courtside ng Team Aroroy. Back to you, Coach Paul and Burns.
And maraming salamat, Danica, for that update on the court sides. Pero ayun na nga, Coach, no? Lamang dito ang ating mga taga-Aroroy. So, it's one step closer to achieving the goal para sa mga taga-Aroroy, and still dito sa ating mga taga-Baleno, depensa talaga ang key nila dito, but they need to make an offensive push on this second half kung gusto nilang makalamang in this ball game.
Muntik na makaagaw doon itong si Aljon Calo on that play against Mark Poole. But again, good recognition ng coach of Aroroy, no? Talagang stop nila muna yung mga big guys kasi malalaki nga itong mga taga-Baleno dito.
Pero yan, 8 seconds to shoot here. That's a steal by Del Rosario. Fast break sila dito ngayon, 3-on-3. Nice stop there by Salvacion, pero aggressive pa rin dito si Del Rosario. Mondragon inside to Cantos, no good sa kanyang layup doon. Ganda sana ng ball movement nila dito, pero Mark Poole now going all the way. Passes to Salvacion for that putback. Wala pa rin. Nagkakagawan dito. Secure ng bola dito para sa mga taga-Aroroy. 3-pointer. No good. Natatawagan ng foul dito, I think, si Salvacion.
That would have been another 3-pointer on the part of Mortel. Wala man lang, partner. Talagang kumuha kay Mortel on that play. Buti na lang, short yung tira na yon.
Walang bumantay sa kanya. Napaka-open ng shot niya doon. Pero I think na-pressure siya ng konti doon sa attempt na yon. Pero still, nice attempt there. Open siya. Kailangan niyang i-take yung mga opportunities na yun. Maya-maya, makikita natin papasok na naman ang mga 3-pointers dito ng mga taga-Aroroy.
Sabi nga, partner, pag mga ganyan, yung mapapagalitan ka ng coach mo. Kung open na open ka, hindi mo itira.
I mean, that was a high percentage shot since open yung mga open na open siya. Kagaya ng layup na yun ni Cantos, pero hindi pumasok sa kanila ang kanilang layup. Pero Pragoso ngayon going inside for that 2-pointer.
Ito, nagkakaroon ng mini run dito on the part of Team Baleno, but again, sabi nga natin, open na open yung mga looks itong mga taga-Aroroy, partner. Di lang nila ma-convert into points. Yes. That's the second miss of Randy Cantos on that play, partner. That's sabi nga natin, open na open, point pa lang shot.
Yeah.
So, mintis yan for Randy Cantos.
And with that, coach, na-take advantage dito ng mga taga-Baleno, yung mga missed opportunities ng mga taga-Aroray. They are the ones who are getting a mini run dito, led by Noy Pragoso.
Yes nga, yun na nga. Sabi nga natin, yung malamangan, sabi okay, nandun tayo. But again, this is just the third quarter, partner.
Yes.
So, madami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ball game na ito. But again, this is a decent lead for Team Aroroy dito sa ating ball game.
Yeah, 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating third quarter. Still on the lead ang mga taga-Aroroy, 61-44. Silang nasa opensa ngayon. Mortel taking the lead. Kapasa sana niya ata yun kaya Tikboy pero hindi niya nakuha. That's a steal para sa mga taga-Baleno. Laurio gets that 2-pointer. And still, the mini run continues para sa mga taga-Baleno.
Ito, unti-unting lumalapit dito. Ito mga taga-Baleno. Tingnan natin kung anong gagawin dito ng mga taga-Aroroy.
Ball in the hands of Mortel. Passes to the corner. Almost losing that ball. Pump fake is stolen here by Pragoso. Going in. Laying it up. That's good. 2-pointer again para kay Pragoso dito. Niinit na siya. And I think coach, narinig niya ako na kailangan niya nang ma-activate in this quarter. And ayun na nga. 4 straight points dito para kay Pragoso. Roy on the offense. Mondragon. Mid-range jumper. No good. That's a miss. Offensive rebound dito para kay Cantojos. Pasa kay Del Rosario ang bola. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Heavily guarded by Laurio. 5 seconds to shoot. Del Rosario, no good. Poole gets that ball. Long pass there, intercepted by Mortel. Del Rosario now will try again. Going inside, penetrating, spinning, fading away. That's a block by Fajardo. It's good. Pragoso ngayon on the other side, goes inside. Intercepted there. Lalabas ang bola, mapupunta pa rin sa mga taga-Baleno ang bola dito with 18 seconds on the shot clock.
Grabe yung mga sequence na yan. But right now, partner, this is an 8-0 run on the part of Team Baleno. So, tingnan natin.
Things are heating up dito sa ating Milagros covered court with this first game pa lang mga kaibigan. Pragoso with the ball here inside. Grabe yung depensa na pinakita doon ng mga taga-Aroroy. Stopping Pragoso, and on the other side is Mortel getting another 2 points para sa kanyang kupunan. Ito. Laurio faking, going inside. Grabe, napakasimple lang nun. Napakaganda ng fake doon ni Laurio. Getting that 2-pointer just like that mga kaibigan. 13-point lead na lang ang hawak ng mga taga-Aroroy.
Yes, Parker, the biggest lead is 19 points for Team Aroroy dito.
Ayan, hihingi ng screen dito si Del Rosario. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Long 3-pointer para kay Del Rosario. No good, pero may offensive rebound dito, Mondragon. 10 seconds to shoot para kay Mondragon. Passes inside. Almost losing that. 5 seconds to shoot here. Mondragon firing away. That's another block by Fajardo. And that's gonna be a shot clock violation. Nice defense there para sa side ng mga taga-Baleno. Stopping that run by Aroroy. Sila naman ngayon ang nasa opensa mga kaibigan with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Mark Poole now with the ball. Posting up his defender. Passing ito Pragoso. Di siya nag-attention doon mga kaibigan. Pero ayun, Fajardo with a reverse layup is good.
Ito. Onsi na lang ang kalamangan dito. That's good recognition ng De La Rosa to Fajardo on that play.
Pero medyo hindi attentive kanina dun na si Pragoso. Medyo natulala siya dun, coach, no? Pero ayan, Rehuso, passes o Cantojos. Ngayon, na kay Mondragon na ang bola. Del Rosario going inside, floating away. It's good, 2-pointer para kay Del Rosario na naman.
Gandang handoff yun mula kay Mondragon.
Fajardo with the ball. Going to try a three-pointer. It's good para kay Fajardo. Back-to-back points para sa kanya dito.
10 na lang to, partner.
Tawagan ng offensive foul dito si Mortel. That's an unfortunate foul para sa side ng mga taga-Aroroy.
Ito, medyo masakit. That's a 4th foul on Ronald Mortel, partner, on that play. At ito ang dalawang guards itong Team Aroroy ay naglalaro ng 4 na foul. George Rihuso, 4 fouls. At ito si Ronald Mortel ay mayroon ding 4 na foul dito. With 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Kailangan na nila ditong mag-ingat dahil mayroon pang isang quarter dito para sa mga taga-Aroroy. Hindi nila kayang mawala ang kanilang dalawang mga guards to take point and take charge to distribute the ball para sa team nila. Pero yan, konting break muna tayo mga kaibigan as our floor managers will wipe out yung mga basang parts ng ating court.
So ito again, ulitin po natin sa ating mga late tuners. This is a high-stake ball game for Team Aroroy, partner. Kung gusto nila na talagang masecure yung number 2 spot, ay dapat hindi sila dito matalo ng mga taga-Baleno. At dito naman for Team Baleno, this is must win also para masecure nila talaga yung number 1 spot dito. Ito ang Baleno ay may 4 na panalo at walang talo, at ito namang Aroroy ay may 3 panalo at 1 talo dito.
Ayan, going back sa ating ball game. Pragoso getting that inbound pass and 1 para kay Pragoso dito. Activated na. Kung activated dito si Noy Pragoso, and he will shoot another free throw to make it a 3-point play.
That's the second foul nito ni Cantojo sa ating ball game. That's a good play on the part of Team Baleno on that sequence. At ito nga, unti-unti pong lumalapit dito ang mga taga-Aroroy. Baleno rather.
Back to a single-digit lead na lang mga kaibigan ang hawak ng kalamangan dito ng mga taga-Aroroy. And Pragoso completes the 3-point play. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Things are heating up inside of this hard court mga kaibigan. Kaya tutok lang kayo dito. Rehuso going inside. That's gonna be a troubling violation. Crowd of Baleno going wild on that sequence. Alam nila na may opportunity na naman dito ang mga taga-Baleno na bawasan ng kalamangan na hawak ng mga taga-Aroroy. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang coach ng Aroroy to make some changes sa kanilang plays. Medyo nagiging sloppy sila dito on the third quarter and they need to adjust their style in this ball game.
Oo nga, partner. So yun lang yung sinasabi natin. At medyo tama yung sinabi mo, no? Kailangan mag-gas up dito ni Noy Pragoso when it comes to scoring. But again, maganda din yung addition nito nila Fajardo dito, partner, sa third quarter. Na tumikado na ng kanyang unang 3-pointer. Sabi ko nga, hindi ito makakaya ng isang tao lang. This should be a total team effort for Team Baleno kung gusto nila talagang tuluyang makabalik dito sa ball game na ito, no? Exactly. And for Aroroy naman, partner, sabi mo nga, nagiging sloppy. Yun ang medyo napapansin natin because of that good defense and aggressive defense and physical defense na pinapakita nito mga taga-Baleno, partner.
Isa pang factor para dito sa mga taga-Baleno si Fajardo. Medyo nakakapasok na siya sa utak ng mga defenders dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. Pero ayun, layup. No good para sa side ng Baleno, pero may isa pa sila ditong chance as they get an offensive rebound. Laurio fires for 3. That's gonna be a short one.
Alam niya na air ball, kaya medyo sinundan niya yung tira niya.
Yes. Pero ayan, Aroroy now with the ball. Rehuso taking point, heavily guarded here by Mark Poole. Isa sa mga key players dito ng mga taga-Baleno, pero nasa kamay na ni Del Rosario ang bola with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Guarded here by Laurio, going inside, kicks it to Rehuso. Passes to Del Rosario for 3, bang! That's good! Grabe naman dito in this ball game.
Itong 3-pointers, partner, mula kay Tikboy Del Rosario, balik sa 10 ang kalamangan dito.
Ayan, Mark Poole will try a 3 for himself, no good. Mortel ngayon. Mid-range. That's good para kay Mortel. Balik sa isang dosena mga kaibigan ng kalabangan dito with 28 seconds remaining. Pero Fragoso, strong on that 2-pointer on the inside. Balik sa 10. Shot clock is off. Mga kaibigan, 20 seconds remaining in this third quarter. Mondragon with the ball. Passes to Rihuso. Nahanap niya si Del Rosario dito. Heavily guarded dito ni Laurio. Natoos. Mondragon. 5 seconds going here. Fading away. Mondragon. Final heave. No good. And that is the end of our third quarter, mga kaibigan. 17-60 ang ating score. 10 ang kalabangan na hawak dito ng mga taga-Aurora. Pero it's safe to say that the third quarter is won by the team of Baleno.
Yes, yun nga. Medyo nakabalik sila dito. At sabi nga natin, largest lead nila for Team Aurora. Well, 20 points yung pinakamalaking lead dito for Team Aurora, partner. But again, naibaba ito ng 10 lang. Ito mga taga-Baleno dun sa third quarter. So tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yung magandang depensa at magandang opensa courtesy of Roy Fragoso for Team Baleno. But again, sabi nga natin, don't look down also on the part of Team Aurora, partner. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin, partner, may Tikboy de Rosario dyan, may Mondragon. Ito yung si Mortel din also is maganda pinapakita dito sa ating ball game. So sabi nga natin, deadly pa rin itong kupunan na ito, no? So again, this will be a seesaw battle for sure. Comes sa fourth quarter, partner, for these two teams. So tingnan natin kung talagang anong mangyayari dito.
And syempre, kudos to the double effort na pinakita doon ng ating mga taga-Baleno to get back into this game. There within a striking distance sa kalamangang hawak dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. Pero don't worry mga kaibigan, isa sa mga nagpapahirap dito sa mga taga-Baleno ay si Tikboy Del Rosario, garnering 7 3-pointers.
Yes, 7 3-pointers made na dito sa ating ball game. At ayun na nga, tingnan natin itong mga leading scorers natin for that last 3 quarters. Partner, Tikboy de Rosario. Yun na nga, 36 big points, partner, for Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating ball game. At 17 points naman ito si Mark Poole. But again, a good drive while I'm talking, itong si De La Rosa. Coming off the bench, maganda ang contribution nito.
Single digit lead na lang mga kaibigan ang hawak dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. Reuso with the ball here with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nahanap niya dito si Del Rosario. Del Rosario gets the ball. Long 3-pointer is good na naman para kay Del Rosario. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Aroroy.
8 3-pointers, partner. Make that 39 points dito si Tikboy de Rosario.
What an efficient scorer here in this ball game. Si Del Rosario. Mondragon gets that rebound. Na kay Del Rosario na naman ang bola. He has the hot hand layup. It's good! Pantay sarado na doon ni Fajardo. Si Del Rosario, but still he gets the ball inside of that basket.
Good recognition kay Tikboy. Kasi medyo mismatch sa kanya. Ito si Fajardo when it comes to speed.
Yes.
So again, that's the 41 point of the ball game dito ni Tikboy de Rosario.
De La Rosa to Laurio, mid-range, no good. They still have a chance here with an offensive rebound. Laurio goes inside. Tatawagan ng foul dito si Del Rosario.
Foul number 16, Del Rosario.
That's the second foul of Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating ball game. Ito to, palitan ng tao itong mga taga-Baleno. Pinasok na ito si Joaquino para kay Laurio for Team Baleno.
And Fragoso will inbound the ball para sa side ng mga taga-Baleno. Mark Poole gets that inbound pass. Hanap siya na mapapasahan dito. Posting up his defender. Going inside. Floater. No good. Lalabas ang bola. Mapupunta ulit sa mga taga-Baleno ang possession with 14 seconds on the shot clock. 8 minutes and 24 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating ball game na ito. Still Aroroy holding a double-digit lead. Fragoso struggling to get the ball inside there with his drive. Del Rosario now passes to his teammate, laying it up, no good. Offensive rebound. One more time, Mortel pump fake, fires a 3. That's good! 3-pointer again para sa mga taga-Aroroy. Patawag na naman ng timeout dito ang mga taga-Baleno to change strategies.
And ito, partner, itong si Mortel, 19 points dito sa ating ball game with 66.7% on the 3-point country. Itong si Ronald Mortel, this is a good help for Team Baleno dito. Sabi nga natin, medyo masasaktan dito ang mga taga Baleno if mag-continue yan sa kanilang hot shooting itong si Mortel at itong si Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ating ball game. But again, this is just an 8-minute mark dito sa ating fourth quarter.
Kailangan talaga magkaroon ng stopping strategy dito ang ating mga taga-Baleno on the 3-point line. Para sa mga taga-Aroroy, they have no answer on the defensive side para dito sa mga 3-point attempts ng mga taga-Aroroy. Siyempre led by Tikboy de Rosario and Ronald Mortel.
Sabi nga natin, high stake talaga ito for Team Aroroy, no? So talagang very focused sila dito sa ball game na ito. Kasi nga that heartbreak loss nila doon sa mga taga Masbate on their last outing, Masbate City. So talagang maganda yung kanilang winning streak, 3 winning streak for Team Aroroy. But again, ito nga for Team Baleno naman. So no question, 4 winning streak, walang katalo-talo dito sa ating liga. Again po, maraming salamat po sa ating mga taga-subaybay. If you want to always have an update, puntahan nyo po ang ating mga social media platform, no? Rep Saldico page on Facebook, Ako Bicol Party List page, also yung Ako Bicol Online TV, and sa YouTube po mayroon tayong Ako Bicol Cup. You can search Ako Bicol Cup from Albay Leg to this leg. Makikita nyo po lahat ng laro dyan. And kung gusto nyo naman mga reels, documentaries na sa Ako Bicol at Ako Bicol Cup doon sa TikTok account natin.
Ayan, mga kaibigan.
Third personal foul, second team foul.
Back to the ball game tayo dito with 8 minutes and 6 seconds remaining in this ball game. Mark Poole will shoot his free throw.
Yeah, technical free throw yan, partner, kasi nga natawagan doon si Randy Cantos ng faking a foul. So that's the third foul dito ni Randy Cantos.
And he makes his technical free throw. Si Mark Poole dito. 78-63 mga kaibigan.
Balik sa 15 dito, partner, ang kalamangan. So, tingnan natin ang gagawin dito ng mga taga-Baleno.
Baleno now with the possession here. Fajardo setting up a screen to his point guard. Mark Poole gets that pass, goes inside, breaking away the defense and scoring another 2 points para sa mga taga-Baleno.
Wala na magagawa doon si Rihuso, partner. Kasi yun na nga, apat na itong foul nito ni Rihuso. And that's good recognition on Mark Poole, partner. Kasi alam niya na apat ang foul. Talaga, they will keep on attacking those players na may apat na foul dito.
Yes, pero yan, another turnover here para kay Rihuso. Another opportunity here para sa mga taga-Baleno to make a score here, to make a point. Mark Poole kicks it to his point guard, fires for 3! That's good! De La Rosa gets that 3-pointer para sa kanyang kupunan. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. Rihuso now guarded by Poole. Hingi siya ng screen dito. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kahanap na mapapasahan si Rihuso. Double team ang bantay dito kay Del Rosario, pero nakuha niya ulit ang bola. 4 seconds, fires a 3! That's good! Del Rosario with the very hot head, mga kaibigan.
Paano mo didepensahan yan, partner? 9 3-pointers dito sa ating ball game. Ito si Tikboy de Rosario.
Pero yan, Mark Poole still aggressive going inside. No good. Salvacion gets the offensive rebound and gets a revenge shot here para sa mga taga-Baleno. Mondragon now taking control. Long pass to Mortel. Mortel swatted away here by De La Rosa sa kanyang layup attempt. Akala niya libreng-libre na siya doon.
Sabi natin, that's a good play, partner, the part of Aroroy and that sequence.
Pero yan, 17 seconds on the shot clock, 17 seconds to make a play para sa mga taga-Aroroy. Bantay sarado talaga dito si Del Rosario. Pero still, he makes it worthwhile, mga kaibigan, ng laro dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. Del Rosario now going inside, faking, fading Passes, that's a steal by Salvacion. Fast break ngayon dito. De La Rosa taking point. Goes inside, lays it up. No good. Nalabas ang bola. It's gonna go to the side of Baleno. Pero I think hihingi ng challenge dito ang ating mga taga-Aroroy. Ayan, mga referees will review that out of bounds kanina. With 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Ito ang kagandahan dito, partner, ng may instant review. Ayun, no? So, sabi nga, talagang hindi makakatakas kung sino talaga ang nakatapik ng bola na yan. Yes. So, 81-70. But again, this is just an 11-point lead with 6 minutes and 16 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game. Largest lead po ng mga taga-Aroroy is 20 nung pagsisimula ng third quarter. But again, maganda yung bawi at maganda yung runs na ginawa ng Baleno. That's why nakabalik sila dito.
And the ball possession will go to the side of Aroroy. I think that was the last touch of Salvacion kanina on that possession.
On that possession.
Pero yan. Tingnan natin sa ating instant replay dito, yung layup dito ni and ayun, nakikita natin si Del Rosario talaga was the one who got that last touch. Pero Mortel now with the ball here. Humingi si Del Rosario, binigay sa kanyang bola. 3-pointer again para kay Del Rosario is good. Napapataas na lang ng kamay dito, mga kaibigan, si Del Rosario. Pati siya ata hindi siya makapaniwala sa kanyang performance dito, pero Fajardo fading away. That's gonna be a short shot para sa kanya. 14 ang kalamangan dito ng mga taga-Aroroy. Mondragon with the ball. Hindi siya dito ng screen. Guarded here by Fajardo with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mondragon kicks it outside to Mortel. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul will be called here on Salvacion. It's going to be a loose ball foul on the side of Salvacion.
That's on Rosier Cabog, rather, partner, on that sequence. Rosier Cabog. So talaga grabe ang depensahan dito. But again, balik sa 14 ang hinahabol dito ng mga taga-Baleno.
Pero very understandable naman kasi kung gaano dapat maging physical ang mga players dito ng Baleno when it comes to guarding Tikboy Del Rosario again!
11 3-pointer.
Wala na akong masasabi sa performance dito ni Tikboy Del Rosario. As he gets another 3-pointer there, kaya naiinis na ang mga bantay dito ng mga taga-Baleno. Pero ayun, sa attempt ni Mark Poole is no good. That's a steal kaya Cantojos. Mondragon now with the ball here, guarded by Fajardo. Mortel with the ball here with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Mortel passes to Cantojos, layup, easy 2-pointer there para kay Cantojos. Timeout ulit para sa team ng Baleno, mga kaibigan. Bumalik sa 19. Kalamangang hawak dito ng mga taga-Aroroy. Still led by their key player, Tikboy Del Rosario. Coach, ano masasabi mo?
Speechless ako, partner, dito sa performance si Tikboy Del Rosario. Grabe. 11 mid, 3-pointers, partner, for Tikboy Del Rosario dito sa ating ball game.
I mean, pati ata siya, hindi siya makapaniwala sa mga 3-pointers made niya dito.
Sabi ko nga, kung may Gary David, nagbabaga ang kamay. Si Tikboy umaapoy, partner. In this ball game, this is a good performance. But again, sabi nga natin, with 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining, this is just a 19-point lead, partner. So may pag-asa pa dito itong mga taga-Baleno. So tingnan natin kung ano mga adjustments dito, partner, ng mga taga-Baleno.
Ayan sila ngayon ang nasa opensa. Zukina now taking point. Ganap siya ng papasahan. Heavily guarded here by Mortel. Goes inside, passes to Fajardo. That's a good fake, laying it up. That's good para kay Fajardo dito. Nice sequence there on the side of Baleno on their offense. Ayan, Mortel. Passes to his teammate Rihuso. It's gonna be a foul called on the Chokino. Medyo si Del Rosario kasi dito, makulit talaga siya. Talagang ang movements niya dito kung saan siya pumupunta. Kaya medyo na-frustrate na yung mga defenders.
Yun naman talaga dapat, partner. So you should move without the ball pa rin. Kasi kung tinatao ka at magiging stagnant ka, mawawalan ng threat, partner.
Ayun, nice pass there by Del Rosario to Mondragon.
That's a good inbound play on the part of Aroroy.
Hindi lang sa opensa, pero pati na rin sa ball distribution. Boy Del Rosario has it all, mga kaibigan. Ryan Fragoso, tatawagan ng foul dito si Mondragon. Medyo nagkakainitan na dito sa ating hardcourt, mga kaibigan.
Ito, tingnan natin dito.
Pero yan, good sportsmanship on the side of Fragoso as tamaan niya kanina si Cantojos on that foul called on Mondragon.
But there will be a review partner on that last play kasi may tawag na, may mga extra motions pa itong si Noy Fragoso. But again, tingnan natin. But I think wala naman siyang gustong gawin or wala naman harm na gustong gawin itong si Noy Fragoso on that play. But again, that will be reviewed ng ating mga officials dito sa larong ito.
I mean, it's normal, coach, na gano'n na ito ay isang intense game. Frustration is really kicking in dito sa side ng mga taga-Baleno, but still, they need to keep their cool here sa ating ball game dito. Hindi nila kailangan makakuha pa ng mga violations na makakapag-threaten sa kanilang chance na lumamang at humabol sa kalamangan dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy.
Yes, partner. So, ito, 91-72 again, a 19-point lead for Team Aroroy with 3 minutes and 52 seconds.
Ayan, tapos na ang review dito ng ating mga referees, and still Fragoso will shoot 2 free throws here on the charity stripe.
So there's wala yun, partner, na extra so foul lang yun for Team for Team Aroroy, Happer Mondragon with a third personal foul.
Yeah, ayan, makikita natin sa ating replay. And ayun, yung nakita ng ating mga referees, yung mga motions na ginawa ni Fragoso after that foul called on Mondragon. Pero it's all good, mga kaibigan, wala namang problema doon. Fragoso now with his second attempt. No good. Rebound here secured by Mondragon. Aroroy now on the offense. Mondragon with the ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Rihuso. 8 seconds to shoot here. Ito ng batay. Open doon. Mondragon. Quick set. 2 seconds. That's a beautiful block by Fragoso. Play still continues here. Fragoso going inside. That's good. 2-pointer again para kay Fragoso. Gandang depensa, gandang opensa para kay Noy Fragoso dito, mga kaibigan. Aroroy now on the offense. Mortel heavily guarded here by Kabug. Makulit din dito, mga kaibigan. Bumantay si Kabug on the side of Baleno. Pero doon almost a turnover. Pero ayun, long 3-pointer para kay Cantojos is no good.
That's a 4 shot for Cantojos. Kasi nga yung shot clock nila.
Pero ayan, another foul is gonna be called here on Fajardo. As there was a steal there by Mortel. Di na nila kayang maibigay pa kay Mortel ang bola. Kaya nag-resort na lang sila on fouling him.
It's a third team foul for Team Baleno dito. But first foul on Fajardo.
2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game, mga kaibigan, with 8 seconds on the shot clock para sa Aroroy. Mortel heavily guarded here. Nahihirapan siyang maipasa ang bola. 1 second na lang, and that's gonna be a 24-second shot clock violation. Nice defense there on the side of Baleno. Talagang hinaharas na nila dito yung kung sino man ang naghahawak ng bola para sa mga taga-Aurora. Pero Pool going inside. Easy two-pointer there. Napalakas yung bangga niya doon kanina kaya natumba si Mondragon. And si Rihuso. Pero now on the other side, stepping out of bounds. Si Mortel dito, that's another turnover para sa mga taga-Aroroy. Isa pang opportunity para sa mga taga-Baleno dito to lessen the lead. Ayan na, Pool going inside again. It's gonna be a foul called on, I think, Mondragon. Oh, I mean, Cantojos. Two shots dito ngayon para kay Pool.
That's a fourth foul dito ni Cantojos. At 2 minutes and 12 seconds remaining sa ating ball game. And again, an opportunity yung si Pool na mabawasan itong kalamangan na hindi gumagalaw, partner, yung minuto sa ating game clock.
First attempt, no good para kay Pool.
That's a miss.
One more attempt here para kay Mark Pool. And he makes the second free throw dito sa ating ball game, mga kaibigan. 78-91 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang mga taga-Aroroy. Del Rosario with the ball here. Passes to Mortel. Last 2 minutes in this ball game, mga kaibigan. Nice defense there on the side of Fajardo. There's gonna be another review para doon sa play na yon kanina na lumabas ang ating bola. Referees will review that play.
At ito, partner, unti-unti ditong lumalapit nga. But again, there's a sense of urgency for Team Baleno dito kasi nga 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining na lang sa ating ball game, no? But again, tingnan natin itong review natin kung kanino mapupunta yung bola na yon. Kasi itong mga taga-Baleno ay may isang coaches challenge pa na dito. But again, good performance on this guy, Tikboy De Rosario, and of course, Mortel, partner for Team Aroroy. And magandang bawi naman ito ni Noy Pragoso on the late goings ng third quarter.
And the challenge is successful here para sa side ng mga taga-Baleno as they will get that possession. Yan, tingnan natin ang ating review.
Yeah, that's a good call of sa ating mga referees and good call for the coaches also for that coaches challenge.
So ayan, Joquino passes to Fajardo, goes inside, lays it up. It's good plus a foul and a chance for a 3-point play para kay Mark Fajardo dito. One more free throw para sa kanya dito to complete the 3-point play.
It's a third foul on Tikboy De Rosario. At ito, sabi ko nga, chance for was given for Team Baleno dito.
Yun. It's good. Balik sa 10, mga kaibigan, ng kalabangang hawak dito ng ating mga taga-Aroroy. And that's another steal by Baleno. Mind you, mga kaibigan,
10 lang ito, partner.
Mark Pool to lessen the lead. It's good! Double time dito ngayon ng ating mga taga-Baleno. That's another steal by Joquino. Nice D by Pragoso. Pero yan, Pragoso scrambling for the ball. Ano matatawagan ang foul dito? Si Fajardo.
That's the second foul dito ni Fajardo. But again, the fourth team foul for Team Baleno dito. Warning for penalty yan. So balik ang bola with 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining sa ating ball game sa mga taga-Aroroy.
Mondragon passes to Del Rosario. He gets that inbound pass in. Del Rosario now going all the way. Fading away floater. No good. Cabog gets that rebound. Joquino with the ball para sa mga taga-Baleno. Passes to Pool. Pool now. Extra pass to Pragoso. Goes inside.
Strong move on the Pragoso again. Ito. 6 lang ito, partner. But again, penalty na dito.
Joquino gets that foul on Del Rosario. It's gonna be his 5th personal foul.
Personal foul nito ni Joquino. But again, andito pa ito si Danilo Laurio for Team Baleno. But again, free throws dito for Tikboy Del Rosario, partner, kasi penalty na. Ito mga taga Baleno dito. And both teams are in the penalty with 56 seconds remaining. So these free throws are crucial for Tikboy. Sabi nga natin, 6 na lang ito. At naibaba ng mga taga Baleno dito.
First shot here by Del Rosario is good. Two-possession game para sa mga taga-Aroroy dito. 7-point lead. Hawak dito ang ating mga nakaputi na jersey. Second shot para kay Del Rosario. No good. 1-for-2 siya dito. Pero nakuha niya yung offensive rebound. Mortel, Torrehuso, they are killing time dito mga kaibigan. Del Rosario holding the ball here. Passes to Mortel. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Fires a long three-pointer. No good. Mark Poole with the ball. Mamadali sila dito. Kabog going inside. Matatawagan ng foul dito si Tikboy Del Rosario.
It's a 4th foul. Dito ni Tikboy Del Rosario.
Personal foul, penalty. Running for exclusion number 16.
Ito, masusubukan dito itong si Cabog on that free throw line. Again, basket for Rosir Cabog dito sa ating ball game.
Second attempt para sa kanya dito. 34 seconds remaining in this ball game. Second shot in and out para kay Cabog, pero nakuha ni Paul yung bola. Lumabas ulit. Third chance dito para kay Fragoso. No good. Laurio for the 4th time. That's good. Mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang Team Aroroy with the 27 seconds remaining in this ball game. 92-88 mga kaibigan ang score dito.
At ito, partner, balik sa 4 ang inahabol dito with 27.8 seconds remaining sa ating ball game.
Two-possession game dito, coach. Ang hawak ng ating mga taga-Aroroy.
So this is just a two-possession ball game nga. 27.8 remaining. So kailangan dito stop ng mga taga-Aroroy. I mean ng taga-Baleno rather. So both teams are in penalty dito. For sure, if pa-foul sila, partner, dapat i-foul nila yung medyo mababa yung percentage for that free throw. But again, ako, pag di ganito, partner, go for the steal muna sila, no? Go for the steal. Pag wala talagang steal,
foul.
Pag walang steal, konting mga 3 seconds. Kung pwede pang umabol sa steal again.
Ayan.
Muntik na doon, partner.
Siya ang matatawagan ng foul dito. A high percentage of free throw shooter is a Tikboy Del Rosario.
Ito. Again, sabi ko nga, go for the steal. Muntik na yun, partner. Kaya Randy Cantojos na yun. But again, lucky break for Team Aroroy dito na nakuha ni Riuso yung bola.
Pero yan, medyo nagkakainitan na dito on both teams.
Foul number 21, Danilo. Second personal foul, penalty.
It's gonna be a 2 shots rewarded here para kay Del Rosario.
Ito, 25.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating ball game. Sabi ko nga, 4-point lead lang ito. So, again, kailangan ni Tikboy may basket ito.
First shot, no good para kay Del Rosario. Crucial shot para sa kanila dito.
Ito, tingnan natin kung may basket ba ito ni Tikboy Del Rosario.
Second shot para sa kanya dito. No good. Pero nakuha niya ulit ang bola. Di na-anticipate dito ng mga taga-Baleno. They need to foul him again here. And he gets another foul. 2 shots ulit para kay Del Rosario dito.
At napangiti siya doon, partner. Doon sa dalawang tira niya, no? But again, nagulat din siya kasi yung talbog ng bola sa harap niya lang din.
Bumalik sa kanya ulit. Hindi din na-anticipate ng mga taga-Baleno yung free throw niya doon.
So again, with those kinds of plays, partner, grabe.
Pero yan, Tikboy Del Rosario again will shoot 2 free throws para sa kanyang team. First attempt. This time, it goes in. Abante ng 1 punto sa kalamangan dito ng mga taga-Aroroy.
Grabe yung performance nito ni Tikboy Del Rosario dito sa ating ball game.
Punong-puno na coach yung score sheet mo sa kanya.
Wala na nga ako mapaglagyan eh. So,
shot clock is off, mga kaibigan. Cabog passes to Fajardo. That's a long 3-pointer. Doesn't make the shot. Rebound secured by Mondragon. It's gonna be a foul called again para sa kanila. It's gonna be a foul on Fragoso. Free throws will be given here para kay Mondragon. With 9 seconds remaining in this ball game, mga kaibigan. First shot here by Mondragon is good.
That's the sail in the coffin, partner.
Yeah.
That free throw dito mula kay Hopper Mondragon. 9.2 seconds remaining.
Second shot here para kay Mondragon. That's good pa rin, kaibigan. Fragoso with the ball. Long 3-pointer doesn't make it, and I think that is it for our ball game, mga kaibigan. Final score 96-88. Ang ating winner in this ball game is the team of Aroroy. Tough loss here para sa side ng team of Baleno, but still stellar performance here given by Tikboy Del Rosario.
And of course, kudos to this team also for grabe yung pinakita nila for Team Baleno. Sabi nga, they play kahit medyo may mga kulang pa rin na players na likes of Shannon Lapas. At talagang maganda din ang pinapakita for Team Baleno. So, but again, sabi nga natin, itong mga taga-Aroroy is talagang a team in a mission dito sa larong ito. Kasi sabi ko nga, this is a very high-stake ball game for them, partner. Kung gusto nila doon sa contention sa number 2 spot. But again, right now, abante sa ating team standing itong Aroroy is number 1 spot with 4 wins and 1 loss, and 4 wins also and 1 loss dito sa mga taga-Baleno. So medyo umangat itong mga taga-Aroroy dito.
Yes.
So titingnan natin kung ano pa mangyayari dito sa District 2 na ito, kasi very unpredictable pa rin. Kasi sabi ko nga, partner, may team may team Masbate City and team Mobo also. And of course, don't look down also sa ibang teams like Milagros and also yung Balud.
Oo.
So yan ang titingnan natin dito sa District 2. So maganda ang nangyayari ngayon when it comes to win-loss record for this district. So ayan, as you can see the highlight of this game. At good, sabi nga natin, good performance of Tikboy Del Rosario dito sa ball game na ito. So tingnan natin yung kanyang performance dito. Ito si Tikboy Del Rosario, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 7 steals with 53 points, partner, dito sa ating ball game. So what can you ask for this guy for Team Aroroy? Tikboy Del Rosario, 53 big points dito sa ating ball game. Congratulations for Team Aroroy dito sa ating first game pa lang ng ating doubleheader. Mamaya po maglalaro itong home team Milagros kontra naman sa mga taga-Balud. So Makikita nyo po yan. But again, good performance also sa dalawang players ng Baleno. Itong si Mark Poole may 25 points at itong si Noy Fragoso may 20 points. But again, that's not enough, partner, for Team Baleno to win this game. Again, maraming salamat po sa mga sumuporta. And again, allow me to greet itong ating kasamahan dito sa Lights and Sound na si Maki. Maki boy, happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday. And of course, sa lahat po na nagbe-birthday, happy birthday po sa inyong lahat, no? And again, please subscribe, like, and share our social media platform. And then makikita nyo din doon yung mga updates natin. Yung Rep Saldico Facebook page, ako Bicol Party List Facebook page, yung ako Bicol Online TV page, yung ating YouTube channel na ako Bicol Cup, and of course sa ating TikTok at ako Bicol Cup. So yun po, yung makikita nyo yung mga documentaries ng players, reels, top 10 plays, so nandun siya. So you can see the highlights. Again, sa Light and Sound kay Maki, happy birthday sa'yo. And maraming salamat po. And later on, Burns, makakasama mo si Mr. Jem Pleto dito sa panel to cover that ballot in, of course, the Milagros game. Again, pasalamatan din natin, Burns, itong municipality ng Milagros. Maraming salamat po for having us here. Especially to the Mayor Natividad Isabel R. Magbalon, Mayor. Thank you very much. Again, nandito si Tikboy. Great performance for this guy. 53 big points. So again, sabi ko nga, for sure, siya ang magiging kasurog player of the game. Grabe yung performance. 11 3-pointer, partner.
Ilista mo na, coach.
Ilista mo na. I think dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, Masbate, wala pang nakakagawa ng ganon. 11 3-pointer. So kudos to this guy, Tikboy Del Rosario, for Team Aroroy and for Team Aroroy for winning this one. Ikaw, partner, thoughts on this game?
A very legendary play talaga dito para kay Tikboy Del Rosario. Well, given the fact na isa siyang veteran and pro player talaga, makikita talaga natin na yung dedication niya and yung preciseness niya when it comes to his shot is stellar talaga kanina doon sa laro nila.
Oo.
Wala ka nang mahihingi pa talaga para kay Tikboy Del Rosario, both on the defensive and offensive side, and pati na rin sa ball distribution. What an unselfish play kanina yung nakikita natin sa kanya as he was passing the ball to the open man.
Sabi nga natin, mayroon siyang 53 points but mayroon din siyang 7 assists dito sa ating ball game. And also, 5 rebounds and 2 assists, and 7 steal. So maganda din ang pinapakita niya when it comes to defensive side. So ito, as we wait for our kasurog player of the game, dito, allow me also to greet ang ating mga bossing, boss Lloyd Rivera, Boss Ino Rivera, of course sa IMBCs kay Boss Russell Oreta, kay Direct Christian Calleja nandito, and of course sa lahat ng IMBC team, and also sa lahat ng men and women ng Ako Bicol Cup. Hello po sa inyong lahat, and of course maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate and sa Ako Bicol Cup as a whole. And hindi mangyayari ito, and of course kung hindi dahil kay Rep Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List, and of course kay Kong Jill Bongalon. Maraming salamat po sa support. And of course, ito na ang ating kasurog player of the game, nakasama ni Miss Mabel Echegoyen. Mabel, pasok.
Thanks, Burns and Coach Paul. It was indeed an intense game between Team Baleno and Team Aroroy, but Team Aroroy dominated the game with the score of 96-88. And right beside me is our kasurog player of the game, Tikboy Del Rosario, wearing jersey number 16, who scored 53 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, and 7 steals. Tikboy, nagpaulan ka ng 3 points kanina at halos kalahati ng inyong score ay galing sa'yo. Anong pakiramdam na dahil dito ay napahinto nyo ang winning streak ng Team Baleno?
Sa amin lang yung team effort yung nagpanalo sa amin, kasi sabi ko nga during practice namin, every practice yung parang yung nasa mindset namin yung Baleno kasi yun yung walang talo. So sabi ko sa kanila, magdepensa lang kami para makuha namin yung panalo ngayon.
Ayan, ano naman yung impact nito sa inyong team na natalo nyo ang dapat sanang undefeated team sa District 2 na Baleno?
Parang ito na yung parang run namin para makapasok kami sa quarterfinals. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, every game dapat manalo kami para maka-advance kami sa quarterfinals. So talagang itong laro namin dito sa Baleno, pinaghirapan namin. So prepare kami bukas para sa laro namin versus Milagros.
Alright, baka may mga gusto kang batiin, pasalamatan, especially ang mga taga-suporta ng Team Aroroy.
Binabati ko yung family ko na nasa Pilar ngayon, yung Heronga family, tsaka Herona, yung Del Rosario family, yung kapatid ko na graduation bukas sa Bureau Fire. Congrats, pasensya na kung wala ako niyan. At saka sa asawa ko, kay Maggie, I love you. Sa mga anak ko, kay Atina, kay Gianna, kay Eja. Thank you sa walang sawang suporta sa pag-intindi. Sabi ko nga, lagi sa laro, maging worth it yung sacrifice na binibigay nila sa akin para sa laro namin ngayon. At saka binabati ko pala si Mayor Turing Bertuccio, Vice Mayor Valentin Alonso, Kuya Bitoy Bertuccio, Admin Perny Lim, at si Cap Aldrin Calo, at sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Team Aroroy. Sa mga teammates ko, credit sa inyo. Thank you.
Once again, thank you and congratulations, Team Aroroy. At dyan na nga mga kasurog, nagtatapos ang ating Game 1. Up next is the battle between the home team, Milagros versus Team Balod. Kaya manatiling nakatutok live sa aming Facebook pages, sa page na Rep Saldico ng Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Follow us also sa aming YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup. This is Mabel Etchegoyen, your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporter.
Abuin